Today we are going to review the book by Cubbon called How to Sell Video Courses Online. So what about that? Video courses are, for the first thing, they are just a digital product, right? And now you want to package all the expertise you might have and sell this as a video course. Can you do that? Pretty sure you can. So Cubbon is a fellow Udemy instructor, and he has sold many courses, and he also has a nice website where you can get some free courses if you are interested and if you want to check it out. And there he explains pretty well how he is making a living on selling online courses. It's not just create, set them and forget about it. No, of course not. You really need to do your marketing, but after all, you can make all the knowledge you have to money. So if you don't think, okay, I'm not a teacher, might be, but most probably you know something. Maybe you're pretty good at gardening and you grow all and every flower you get in your fingers, or you play the piano, or you love to repair your car. Then selling an online course is an option for you to make some money. Maybe it's first just a side hustle, and you create it and make a few dollars from it, might be, but you can sell it for years to come. And that is what Rob tells in his book. He gives an overview about how to make your own online course. And let's have a look here in the table of contents, where you already see what he's talking about, what he can tell you about online courses. And if he can't, nobody can, because he's really one of the famous instructors on Udemy. So let me talk about the table of contents here. He talks about the course creation process, which is not that easy, I have to admit. Of course, it's not just about you sitting in front of the camera and recording whatever comes to your fingers. You really need to plan that out well. And once you have done that, then of course you can record your videos. But that's not all. That's just one piece of the puzzle. After that, you have to edit your videos. You have to put them together. You have to put some branding on them. And after you have done all of these things, you can upload them to Udemy and make them sell for you, or of course on your own website. So he's talking about Udemy, and he's also talking about how you can sell your course on your very own website. And then, which is in my eyes the most important thing, he's talking about marketing your courses, because more often than not we create something, a digital product, no matter if it's an online course or something else. You create it and then set it and maybe forget it, and that's not working. I promise you that won't be your path to success if you just create product after product after product and never do any marketing. People won't know you, so why should they buy from you? Right? They won't. So please have a look at the book if you want to learn more about marketing your online courses and about how to create them. And enjoy a good read. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if so, please subscribe to our channel and click the little bell if you want to be notified whenever we post a new video, and give us a thumb up, because that's important for us. And read the info box below, because there you find all the information about this video and all the links you need to get freebies and whatever. So this is all and everything under this video. I see you in the next one.